Sign the divorce papers now. Sign it and disappear. My life moves up to another level. And you? You're just baggage from a life I outgrew.
You cheated on me, and now you want to take all my assets?
You seem to be misunderstanding. Everything standing around you right now, all of it exists because I allowed it.
Dad, are you insane? Mom earned every penny we have. How can you say that?
He must have lost it. Just listen to him, talking crazy.
Fine. As you wish.
Wait!
Hold on. Sign this first.
One more thing. I've decided to change my last name. From now on, I'm Isabella Rodriguez. Sounds so much classier, doesn't it?
Honestly, Uncle Liam's been more of a father to us than anyone else. From now on, we've got your back too.
Dad, I love you the most. You're the best dad in the whole world. Daddy, when I grow up, I'm gonna marry a man just like Daddy.
Lucas, Isabella, that's your father. Vincent, don't take it personally, they're just hurt. But you haven't exactly made it easy for them over the years.
I gave everything I had to you two. Everything. Then I'm done.
Mrs. Ross, Sophia, and the others are here. Got it? Sophia, everything you did to Vincent, I'm collecting it today.
It's over. From now on, there is no relationship between us. You're on your own.
My mom's about to get the Corcione investment and skyrocket to the top. And you? Maybe you should start playing your next route.
Mom, Uncle Liam, you both waited for years. Now you can finally be together. I'm really happy for you.
Once Mom takes the deal, I'm gonna move to the next level. Never have to kiss anyone's ass again.
You're that confident you'll get the investment? Seems you forgot who approved it. You're that confident you'll get the investment? Seems you forgot who approved it.
Why not? Who do you think you are, Mr. Coromone? Ridiculous.
Stop, Dad. Look at yourself. It's not the place where you embarrass yourself.
Cancel all investments. Terminate Liam and Lucas, industry-wide blacklist. As for Isabella, revoke her full scholarship and her enrollment.
Got it.
Sophia, I built you up into a renowned designer, and I can leave you with nothing.
Cancel it? Come on, Dad. You know this gala is for my mom? It's never getting canceled.
Save your time, Vincent. Go find a job. Or I'm afraid nobody will bother identifying your body if you're frozen in somewhere. How tragic that would be.
Get out of my way.
No, that seat's reserved for Mr. Corleone. If he walks in and sees this, your investment could disappear overnight, Sophia.
Are you insane? You don't belong in this room. And you're trying to sit in Corleone's seat? Get the hell out of here! You dare embarrass me like this?
This is a Corleone event, so tell me, what right do you have to throw me out? Enough.
When we were married, I held back because I loved you. But now, you have no right to lay a hand on me.
Sophia, are you okay?
Are you out of your mind? That belongs to Mr. Corleone. You trying to get us all killed?
Do you have any idea the fury of a mafia don? You want to die? Don't drag us into it! Get the hell out, now!
Looks like Vincent is done being merciful. Our turn.
Get out?
This seat
Is meant for me. Any problem?
Vincent, you bastard!
You old fool! Listen, Mr. Corleone and Ms. Ross are arriving any minute. You want to destroy yourself, fine, but don't drag my whole family down with you. Vanessa, I know you're hurt, but you shouldn't do this. You're trying to destroy her. Mom, what if Mr. Corleone sees this? We're done.
I'm warning you, if my deal gets ruined tonight, I will never let you get away with this.
What the hell is going on here? Mr. Corleone is arriving any minute and you're causing a scene?
Michael! Thank God you're here. That man sat in Mr. Corleone's designated seat. We tried to stop him, but he refused to leave.
Someone's got a death wish. You want to make me pay? Take a real good look who I am.
Who the hell are you? How dare you sit in Mr. Corleone's seat? Look what you've done. Fix it right now. If Mr. Corleone sees this, he'll be scraping your body off the lion's cage.
Michael, thank God he's been causing trouble all night. Get this psycho out of here before Mr. Corleone arrives.
You seriously don't recognize me?
Vinces, drop the act. Michael's worked under Ms. Ross for over 10 years. He's met Mr. Corleone countless times. If you were really Mr. Corleone, don't you think he'd know?
Dad, don't pull these pathetic little tricks. Get out before security drags you out.
I stopped making public appearances 20 years ago. It's perfectly normal he doesn't recognize me.
It's true, Mr. Corleone hasn't appeared publicly in 20 years. Who exactly are you?
Michael, he's fooling you. He's my ex-husband, a jobless bum. He's here today to ruin my deal. Throw him out now!
Come on, Michael, look at him. Does that seriously look like Mr. Corleone to you? You know how much Ms. Ross cares about this event? If tonight goes smoothly, everyone's happy. Especially Mrs. Corleone. And people who make Mrs. Corleone happy, they tend to move up very fast. But if this loser ruins the gala, who do you think Miss Ross is gonna play?
You must be Mrs. Corleone?
Michael, I said get him out of here. Now. Don't let Mr. Corleone's gala be delayed on my account.
Of course, ma'am.
I don't care who you are. If you dare disrupt this gala today, you're making an enemy of the Corleone family. Drag him out, now!
Last time I'm saying this. I am Corleone.
Do you hear yourself? Impersonate Mr. Corleone?
You have Andy's number. Call her, right now. She will tell you who I am.
Who the hell do you think you are? Order me around? Today's the big day of Mr. Corleone's return. I don't care who you're trash. Get out. One more word, and I'll have you thrown into the estate with the lion.
Dad, have some dignity. Mom already divorced you. You signed it. We're done. Stop pestering me, okay?
Pestering you? The sight of you makes me sick. I've said it once, and it's the last time. This gala is specifically for me. The ones who should leave are you. All right. Don't lower yourself to his level. Vincent, you're way out of line.
What are you standing there for? Pin him down and drag him out! What are you doing? Let go of me! Give it back! That's the only memento I have of my mother.
Oh, your mother's memento? Sounds so precious.
Sophia, I'm warning you. Give it back. Now!
Weren't you acting all tough just now? Were you? Want to give it back? Fine. You see that? You got your face on my heel. Clean it with your hands. Then say it 3 times. Vincent is a worthless piece of trash. Do that, and I'll consider returning. What's wrong? You used to kneel when I was annoyed. Now I'm just asking you to clean a shoe, and you're acting like it's beneath you?
Sophia, don't push it!
Push it? Well, if you're not willing, fine. I'll toss it. It's an eyesore anyway. Oh? So you get desperate? Then clean it.
Vincent, Aunt Julie asked me to give this to you.
Mom, what were her last words?
She said she doesn't blame you. She knows you have something important to do. This brooch is left for you as a keepsake.
Fine.
Vincent, look at you. Being pathetic your whole life.
Give me that back.
You know what else has annoyed me all these years? It's not only you. And your short-lived mother! You know, your mother kept calling you on her deathbed. So annoying. So I made it easier. Block her number. You didn't even get to say one last word to her.
Sophia!
You want this trash so badly, right? Dream on.
No. Mom, I'm sorry.
What did you say?
Sophia, you deserve to die!
What are you doing?
Click the link below to watch the full video.